G'day everyone, it's Engelo Rumora here. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo, bringing you another awesome vlog. And today I'm talking about this. Is it better to establish a real estate team before buying? Why or why not? Let's get it started. Okay guys, broken record time starts now. I've said this so many times before, so here it is again. Your network equals your net worth. So please never forget that. It's very, very important. I want you guys shaking hands and kissing babies like Pope Francis every single day, except you're going to be doing it with other successful real estate investors, okay? And we're going to talk about the team here in a bit, but I just want to make that point very, very clear. Now, over the last 5+ years, I don't even know how long I've been investing in real estate. Too long. I feel old. I should be retired by now. I'm not doing any more videos on the beach in the Bahamas, sipping pina coladas, but I love you guys, so I'm doing more videos. Anyway, back to this vlog. And look, I've spoken to so many investors from all over the world because I have a real estate investment company, so we work with investors, and shameless plug. And look, there's something that they all ask me, okay? And they say, what do you think of this area? You know, what do you think of this market? What do you think of this city? They're all consumed with the online stats and demographics that they can do via a basic Google search. And look, I think it's a very wrong way to approach investing in real estate or starting to invest in real estate by focusing on a specific market or a city, the demographics, the population, the employment, all of that online mumbo jumbo. Why I say that, guys, is because the team that you establish on the ground is going to make or break your investment, okay? So the numbers in a specific market or a specific deal are not going to be responsible for any financial loss, in my opinion. It's always going to be someone that you have trusted with to do a job that they're not going to do correctly, okay? And I've got a saying, it goes like this. If you buy the best house in the best street, in the best area that has the best capital growth projections, but your property manager is incompetent or a cheat, you're going to lose money because they're going to steal your rent or because they're going to lose your rent because they're so incompetent. So it really doesn't matter how good that market is or how much potential that specific area is for growth or how good that particular transaction is from an acquisition standpoint and how big your margin is, because if your contractor sucks, they're going to go over budget, so you're going to lose money anyway, okay? So it's very, very, very important that you first establish the right team, okay? That you have the right team in place before you start your real estate investing endeavors. A little side note there, a lot of folks have been talking about Detroit, for example, and the Great Wall of Detroit. They're going to burn it into the ground. It's a bankrupt city. It's going to disappear. It's going to, disintegrate into the earth. Well, that's not the case. Detroit's booming, and everyone's been talking about it for the last couple of years. And I'm based here in Toledo, and we're actually getting a huge overflow of all the good stuff happening in Detroit. It's absolutely mind-boggling what's going on here in town too. So that's pretty exciting. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, over the last 10 years, I have known of investors working in very, 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 very rough parts of town in Detroit, making millions. Okay, how's that possible, you might ask? Well, it's quite simple. They had the right team on the ground that were born and bred in those specific areas. They knew what they had to do, how to do it, how to hustle the rents. Sure, they were probably collecting the rents with bulletproof vests and shotguns and a Hummer and you name it, but still, they were trustworthy, they were the right people, and they did the job, and these folks made a lot of money, okay? So that kind of, based off of my experience, proof is in the pudding that the market, the stats, the demographics don't really matter as much as having the right people. So what kind of people do you need? A real estate agent, a property manager, you would need a contractor or a construction crew, you would need maintenance personnel, you would need a good attorney, in my opinion, an accountant, you would need a title company. I suggest to go to your local real estate associations, network with a lot of people. It's always good to have other successful investors in your Rolodex per se that are doing amazing things that you can always call on, ask for advice, ask for a tip, buy them coffee, give them value, be different, be fun, be energetic, and people want to hang around other people that are fun, that are energetic, and then they'll happily offer you their time and their advice for free. So look, I'm going to shut up now. I think that's enough. I hope that I gave you enough content there to make your own decision, summarizing everything. I think it's very, very important that you spend the time in establishing trust and relationships with key individuals that are going to help you on your real estate journey, on your real estate investment journey, before you actually get consumed with the various online stats and demographics and projections and all of that mumbo jumbo. Team first, guys. Teamwork makes the dream work, okay? Don't forget that. Man, that was good. Okay, so that's it. Hey, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. What do you think? Am I right? Am I wrong? What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear your story, and I will respond to you. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Engelo Rumora. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. You guys have a great day.